Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. Okay, I'm not a medical practitioner or career counselor or anybody who can give you the advices for your finances. I'm just a tarot reader and reading the cards for you guys. These are general readings. This might or might not resonate what uh, resonates with you. Okay, keep what resonates with you and leave the other portion. Cool. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay. Let's see for your health what we have for you guys. Leo, for this month. Four of Pentacles. You guys are going to be holding on to something very tightly, like some kind of belief, some kind of, something that is not helping you to have a good health. Maybe you are not able to quit smoking, not able to quit alcohol, maybe simple thing as sugar. So there is something that you're holding on to that you are not able to release, that you're not able to let go of, that you guys should definitely let go of in order to have a proper health. Okay, you guys have to let go of something. Okay, guidance here is the Queen of Swords, right? So until unless you are going to clean this mess that you are holding on to, you will not be able to enjoy the good health that you deserve as a person, Leo. There is something about your health that you should not be doing that thing, you should not be holding on to that thing, but you guys are doing that. Until unless you are going to clean that mess completely, until unless you are going to completely let go of whatever you are holding on to, holding on to for this much tightly, your health is not going to come back on track. Okay, let's see for those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Two of Wands. You guys will be either waiting for some kind of other opportunity, like maybe some kind of results or some kind of yes or no from other company, other organizations or something. For some of you, you guys are planning to leave this job or this career that you are in and planning to go ahead and do something else, but you guys have to wait. There is a period of waiting before you are going to start or restart something else and leave this thing behind that you are currently involved in. The guidance here is King of Pentacles. Okay, when you are making this kind of life changing decision, make sure that you are going to be grounded enough, mature enough, and practical enough to understand why you are doing what you are doing and what is going to be the long term result of this action of yours. Okay, so don't make any kind of blind choices, or don't take any kind of up in the air kind of decisions. Properly planned actions, properly planned decisions are going to help you to get what you want eventually. For those of you who are self-employed or having their own business, Eight of Pentacles. Whatever you are going to do regarding your business, you are going to get the results accordingly. If you are going to put in the effort and energy, if you are going to continuously keep on pushing forward, like keep on doing whatever you should be doing, you will start getting the results. If you are not going to do anything about your business thing, I think it's not going to grow naturally and organically. It needs your hard work and dedication and consistency. The guidance is the Seven of Pentacles, right? This is going to be a very slow moving energy, Leo. Do you guys have the patience? Do you guys have that dedication, consistency, and discipline to keep going even if things are not going the way you want them to go right now? Right, that's a question here. If you are willing to put in the effort and energy with patience and dedication and wait for the results to show up the way they should be or not. Okay, so your business is going to grow very slowly, and a lot of hard work and efforts are required for this month. For those of you who are job seekers or trying to start or restart their business thing, whether you're a total fresher or somebody experienced, we have the Ace of Wands. You guys are going to be presented with a very good opportunity. This opportunity is definitely going to make you feel very excited. This is something that's going to be aligned with your values, aligned with your path. This is something that is going to make you feel this is what I wanted to do. So it's a brand new opportunity, it's a brand new offer, and it's going to make you feel intuitively aligned with the path that you want to follow when it comes to your career. So yeah, there are very good chances of you getting a brand new opportunity to start or restart your career again, whether it's job or business thing. Okay, and it's going to make you feel quite excited, quite happy about the next chapter. The guidance, sorry, the guidance here, 10 of Pentacles. Okay, don't jump into the conclusion of having a long term. Okay, this might be something very small, this start or restart. It might not give you the instant results that you're hoping for. If you are up for that kind of thing where you want instant results, or where you can see a future, like a long term future, where you can see that you can retire early or you're going to get a lot of money, then maybe this is not the right opportunity for you. This can become something really meaningful and good with time. It's not going to be something uh, that you can rely on for the long term right now. Again, this is the game of patience. You can start with this thing, and then you can like keep on looking for other opportunities too. But if you are one of those people who want something solid by their side right now, currently only, then this might not be the opportunity for you. The long term thing that can happen in this also, in this job or in this work also, but it's going to take some more time. It's going to take like roughly 3-4 years to go where you want it to go. Tough, huh? For your finances, we have the Lovers. Now you are going to be very very infatuated or attracted to the idea of investing your money somewhere, or saving your money somewhere where you are not going to be very very sure whether it's going to work out or not. Like somebody is going to present you with the some kind of quick money making schemes, or they are going to show you the glitters. All that glitters is not gold, Leo, please keep that in mind. Somebody is going to show you the shiny side, or you are going to get infatuated to let's say, for example, invest in share market where you don't have any knowledge, but because all the people around you are making a lot of money, why not you? So if you are going to waste your money or invest your money in stupid quick money making schemes or something, I don't think so you will be able to get the results. In fact, you are going to get the losses very very soon. So I do see investments can improve. You will be able to save more. You will be able to actually get the results of your long term investments too. But the way you are going to handle your finances is going to make all the difference in the world for you guys for this month, right? Guidance is the Hierophant. Okay, so use your wisdom, your knowledge, your experience. If you don't have much experience in handling finances, definitely connect with some kind of mentor, someone who have the knowledge and the experiences and the wisdom to handle finances, to take care of finances in a proper way, instead of becoming your own guru or becoming in this ego that I know better than everyone else on this planet earth. Take help from somebody who can guide you through the ups and downs of finances, and who can guide you to understand how to invest money and how to save money and where to invest and where not. Okay, so hiring somebody or taking help from somebody who is an expert, who is who can handle money more beautifully than you, is the recommendation here. Now it's completely up to you if you want to do that or not. That's your lookout, but this is what I'm getting for you guys for this month. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.